Hello dear children, welcome to today's maths video. I am so happy to have you here with me. Today we are starting a new and interesting topic from the chapter Parallelogram. Are you ready to learn something fun? Then let's begin. Do you like to listen to a story? Alright, then let's begin. Have you ever sat at a table and played with your toys? Well, one day Rahul was doing exactly that. Have you ever noticed the shape of your table? Yes, okay. Now Rahul noticed something interesting. What do you think he found? Yes, he found that the table was the shape of a parallelogram. Just then, Rahul's mother came and asked, "Shall we cover this table with a beautiful cloth?" Rahul smiled. If you were Rahul, would you also like to cover your table with a nice cloth? Both Rahul and his mother agreed to do it. But then a big question came. How much cloth do we need to cover the whole table? Do you know how to find that? Rahul didn't know, and his mother didn't know either. So now the real learning begins. What do we need to understand to find how much cloth is required? Yes, the area of parallelogram. Children, look at this picture. Yes, this is a parallelogram. Now, think and tell me, what is a parallelogram? Yes, a parallelogram is any quadrilateral with pairs of opposite sides equal. Did you get it? Very good. Now, look at this picture carefully. Let's recall the special property of a parallelogram. Are the opposite sides parallel? Yes, they are. Are the opposite sides equal in length? Exactly, they are equal. And what about the opposite angles? Correct, the opposite angles are also equal. So children, a parallelogram has the opposite sides are parallel and equal. The opposite angles are equal. Alright children, now that we know what a parallelogram is, shall we learn how to find its area? Are you ready? Very good. Now listen carefully. Take a parallelogram of base B and height h. Draw a line from one vertex of the parallelogram that perpendicular to the opposite side. Cut out the triangle. Now place it on the other side of the parallelogram. Thus it makes a perfect rectangle of base B and height h. As we know that the area of rectangle is the length multiplied by the breadth. Since the rectangle is made of the parallelogram, the area of both sides would be equal. Hence, the area of parallelogram would be base multiplied into height. Now children, let us try an example. Look at the parallelogram shown here. Can you see the base? Yes, the base is 10 meter. And what about the perpendicular height? Correct, the height is 6 meter. So, let us find the area together. So, what is the area of parallelogram? Yes, the area of parallelogram equal base into height. Here, base B equal 10 meter and the height h equal 6 meter. So, the area is 10 meter into 6 meter equal to 16 square meters. we have successfully found the area of the parallelogram. Okay, children, so we can conclude that a parallelogram is a quadrilateral with two pairs of parallel sides. Its area depends on the length of the base and the height. Also, the area of parallelogram is the product of the length of one side and its distance to the opposite side. Now that you understand how to find the area of parallelogram, here is your homework. Solve it at home and bring the answer. I am really proud of you. Listened, explored, and tried the examples. Keep practicing because every time you try, you become more confident in maths. Thank you for learning with